Hey guys, Joel from Alpha Tools. Just wanted to show you guys the Alpha ThunderMax range in Driver Bit. To be honest with you, I wasn't around with the research and development of these, so I had to go back and print out all the information to actually learn about what was involved and why these are so good now. As you know, when I started out, the driver bits were all, you had them in your drill. They were notorious for fracturing once you took that driver bit out and put it into the impacts as they came on the market. And that was because they weren't designed, they were much harder steel, they're a different alloy, and they weren't designed to take impact or high torsion impact at startup on load. And that's where these have now come into the market. These are actually ahead of the game in the fact that as torque and impact settings have gone up from brand to brand, especially the impact drivers, which we're all using these days, these are actually been designed to surpass what is currently on the market in prediction of what's coming to the market in the future. Look, you can read all the pros and cons and all that sort of stuff, but basically, layman's terms is, a lot of it comes down to this shaft. You know, when I saw that, I thought, is that a good thing or a bad thing going to a smaller shaft? It actually is. Like I said, the metallurgy has actually changed, the alloy's changed. What that shaft does is takes on board torque load and high impact from start and gives it flexibility and ability to take recoil load and then use that inertia energy to actually drive. And in doing that, it saves the head from snapping or fracturing, giving it that flexibility because of the high impact, high torque starts. That has also that technology has come across to the driver bits, to the nut setters or tech drives or whatever you want to call them, right the way through. Obviously, we all know what each individual one does. You know, get the screw and match the shape. It's not really hard. The other thing I do like about these sets is that you have, even though the magnets have been improved, they're much more shock resistant. They're super strong. You can, you know, give them a tune up and, you know, your screws and that stay on. These things really are ahead of the game, guys. You can buy these in confidence that no matter what tool you change to in the future, these will take whatever load or whatever torque, whatever impact they can come up with. Like I said, I didn't know. I've learned a hell of a lot. All that information's out there. It's on our websites. But if you're buying for impact, the ThunderMax is definitely the way to go and the way to go for the future.